Here's a Sears Lasko Turn of the Century in antique brass with the pretty decently rare 5 light kit, which is also made by Lasko or Sears. And the cool thing about this light kit that I find is that it has that little glass piece in the center, right, if I can look on the camera, like right there. So I think that is really cool. I got this from the Fanimation group trip a couple of years ago. I don't remember who it came from. I think it came from Charles S., if I'm remembering correctly. But yeah, here it is. It's the ornate version. It's got variable speed. It's got this really nice light kit. You can see it's got the ornate blade badges. These oak, something like that, color blades. Reverse switch is on top. Right there. And I'm not sure if this one has a tag on it still. Trying to look. I really don't think. Yeah, I don't think this one even has a tag on it anymore. I think it came off. Yeah, maybe not. Wait a minute. I can't tell if that's on there or not. I think it did come off. But yeah, it's a really nice fan. If I didn't mention before, it is in the master bedroom. So I will demonstrate the light here. I think I'll leave it on. The light is on a dimmer switch. See, like I can dim it. But we will start it on the lowest speed. The variable speed does work for the most part. However, it is starting to fade, and what I mean is, so the dial is turned all the way down now, like that little knob. It's turned all the way down, and it goes the lowest speed, so that works fine. But basically the speed does not change until you're almost all the way up. And then it finally speeds up a lot and goes to like a medium speed. And then the last little tiny click it can go after that is the high speed. So it's basically, the speed range is like 3 speeds. It's not really variable anymore. See if I turn it. It's not really going up in speed at all. I mean, it is a little tiny bit. But like barely. See, more and more. No real difference. Until it's finally like all the way up. And then you get this speed out of it. It's not that big of a deal. Like the variable speed does still work. and I think it's a potentiometer that it might be. So I'll definitely replace that if it ever quits working completely. But as of right now, it still works, and I'm not gonna bother replacing it. I think the motor shaft is a little out of alignment, because if you look at that little brown piece up there where the blades go on, it's supposed to spin without going back and forth though, and if you can see up there, it's moving like this. So I think that's what's causing it to shake. Like if you look up there, you can kind of see it doing that. Here's the fastest speed, which is high. And as you can see, it does shake around quite a bit. Like I said, I think the shaft is out of alignment. I'm gonna go shut it off now. The bearings are very good in this fan, and as a result, the spin down is quite long. And that's all I got for the 52-inch Sears Lasko Turn of the Century in antique brass and ornate.